All right, here to talk about that, right? The importance of high-speed internet, the connectivity. We got cybersecurity and technology expert Burton Kelso. He's also a friend of BNC Live. Welcome back, Burton. Always a pleasure, sir. So, talk
This
about,
is a great topic, Johnny. It
well,
really is.
I'm going to let you go. Tell us why.
Because internet is essentially a utility. It's as important as gas and electricity. I mean, there's a lot of things that you can't do if you don't have access to the internet. So for impoverished families not to have access to the internet definitely shows that there has been a digital divide in our country. I mean, if you without internet, there's no access to um, virtual learning. There's no access to education if you want to just further your education. Also there's a lot of especially with the pandemic, people weren't able to shop virtually, or just order anything without internet, so it's
Yeah.
essential.
Yeah, and actually that brings me, I want you to wrap it up in a nice bow for me, Burton. Talk about how the pandemic highlighted that, right? It was like the haves and the have-nots when it came to internet service.
Definitely, and this affected low income families and rural people too. But without internet, I mean, there's no on school education at all. It also affected low income families if their jobs force them to work virtually. If you have no internet, I mean, there's nothing that you can do. And with the shutdown, it definitely brought to light that more people will need access to internet.
Yeah, it was like a lifeline that folks realized they didn't have access to. Talk about who qualifies for this program because we're hearing millions of families have already enrolled.
Right. So the way that the Affordable Connectivity Program works is that essentially, to make it simple, if you're already on government assistance, then you probably are going to qualify for the service. So it allows people to receive a discount of about $30 a month on their internet service. And then also you can receive a discount to purchase computers, meaning laptops and other mobile devices like tablets, and even computers, so that you can have access to the internet, because it's not going to do any good to provide low income families with internet if they don't have access to those tech devices. And especially in this semiconductor crisis that we're in, it's essential that those devices are provided, because obviously the price of electronics has gone up.
Yeah, Burton, what stands out to you when it comes to this program? Because you were excited when I read the intro. So talk about that excitement.
The internet is the great equator. I mean, if you have access to internet, the world is at your fingertips. So if you don't have access to education because of the internet, now you've got access to internet. If you want to further your education through the internet, you can do it. If you're a business owner and you have a low income background and you want to be able to succeed, you've got to be able to have the internet to market your business. So it basically evens the playing field for everyone out there. It's no longer the haves and have nots, as you said earlier, Tashani. It's more like it's accessible to anybody, and the sky's the limit, and anyone of any income can definitely make their dreams come true.
Yeah, speaking of income, right? Let's talk about money. How much money will this program actually save households?
Um, Quite a bit actually, because if you look at your standard internet package, and I'm just talking about internet, most packages are around $70 a month. So if you're going for $30 a month, I mean that's quite a bit of savings as far as your internet access is concerned. I mean, because $70 for the average person may not seem a lot, but if you're at the poverty line or below the poverty line, that's a big difference as far as getting internet services to your house. It means that you can be home and use your internet. You don't have to go to the library or hang out at McDonald's to use their Wi-Fi. So, I mean, it's a game changer.
Yeah, especially with what you do, Burton, right? You're all about the internet. You're an internet expert. So I want you to
Right.
just kind of drive the message home for folks who may be unaware of this program. Where can they sign up? How can they gain more access to this new resource that the White House is providing?
Well, I would start at whitehouse.gov to sign up for the Affordable Connectivity Act, because that's probably going to be your best resource to go to. Because there are a lot of locally based connectivity programs. I know we have one here in the Kansas City area, but going to whitehouse.gov would be a good step to sign the process in order to get access to internet to make sure that you're on the government program as opposed to just doing a quick search and finding one of the local programs.
Yeah.
Because that's not to say local programs are bad, but as far as what the affordable connectivity program is offering, it's a lot more than what a lot of communities are doing locally.
And I got to drive this message home, right? You need internet to go to
Yeah,
whitehouse.gov.
right. We need internet.
You need internet, right? You need internet.
That's a good point. I didn't even think about this,
I
Miss
mean,
Honey.
if you
That's
can
actually
log on to social media, I'm sure you have access to internet. Burton, always
right.
a pleasure.
Exactly.
Thank you for joining us.
Always a pleasure.
All right, the pace of Americans getting COVID-19 booster shots